Hey, this is John, and in this video I want to show you quickly how to download and use Audacity. So the first thing you want to do is Google Audacity for Windows or for Mac, whichever one you're using. In my case, I'm using a Mac. You want to grab this file here, download and install it, and also grab the MP3 encoder right here. So after you've installed those, you'll open up Audacity, and to record your audio, you simply choose the source that you want to record here. So I have three choices. You might just have one. So we have our built-in mic, my Yeti mic, and my webcam mic. So choose whichever one you want, and then simply hit record. And now this is recording our audio. You can record your podcast, and when you're done, stop. And you could do any post-processing at this point you want to, and you can Google some stuff to do, such as leveling out the volume and stuff like that. But when you're done, you just simply want to export it as an MP3 and hit save. And that's it. You've got a podcast ready to upload to your website and to distribute.